Hello my friends, welcome once again and thank you for tuning. Today we are talking about how dental apprenticeships work in the UK. If you are new here, consider hitting subscribe and join this family so you can get all the current information with all the developments in dental practice in the UK. In this video, we are going to look at the different apprenticeships in the dental field and their levels and what the requirements for each level are, and how you can actually get started with one of them. So let's go. First, following the questions that you have been asking me, whether a foreign trained dentist can come and practice as a dental nurse or dental therapist. I haven't yet got a question on dental hygiene, but yeah, those two. And given the fact that the route for registration of foreign trained dentists as dental therapists was closed on March 8th, 2023. The only other two routes remaining being either to enroll for a BSc dental therapy or to go through the apprenticeship route, of which personally, if I was to recommend, I would prefer the apprenticeship route because you earn as you work. It is training on job. However, you have to meet the GDC requirements for apprenticeships. Okay, let's dive in. So apprenticeships in the UK have levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. In brief, if you're a foreign trained dentist, there is no need to start at level 1 and 2 because those ones are for people without secondary school education, if I may put it like that. Most of us can start from level 3, that is a diploma level. So, for example, if you wanted to work as a dental nurse, you can actually enroll for a diploma in dental nursing as a trainee dental nurse. So you work as you study. Once you are through with the modules, then you register, get a GDC registration. So for dental nursing, there is no requirement to be registered with the GDC at level 3. At level 4 is where you are required to have registered with the GDC. That's what they call advanced diploma in dental nursing. You need to have registered with the GDC. Henceforth, from other levels, level 4 and 5 is advanced, level 6 is... Let's just take a look at the explanation of the levels before we move to the actual apprenticeships. So apprenticeships levels. So as you can see, entry level, I'll skip that. So level 1, as you can see, level 1 is where you'll be awarded a first certificate. All you need is GCSE grades 3 to 1 or grades D, E, F, G. And level 2 is more like O-level education, CSE, because this is secondary school, certificate of secondary school education grade 1. Okay. So now level 3, because you'll be awarded a diploma here and you'll have access to higher education diploma, the requirement here is A level. Okay. So level 4 qualifications, you'll be given a certificate of higher education, and this is all that you can attain at this level. Also, this is still secondary school entry. Level 5 is where you are awarded a diploma of higher education. You can as well be given a foundation degree or higher national diploma at level 5. At level 6 is where you receive a degree. In the UK, it is possible to get a degree, a master's degree, or even a PhD through apprenticeships, not enrolling to the university directly. It is very much possible in dentistry. It is very much possible in medicine, engineering, and any other profession that you know. So level 7 is where you'll be awarded master's qualification, okay? Integrated masters. I've given you an example here, Master of Engineering. You can get your master through apprenticeship. Level 8 is where you get a doctorate. So, but our area of interest today for practice of dental nursing and practice of dental therapy. That falls into level 3 and level 6 respectively. But you could also choose to do it up to level 5. Then you can start practicing your dental therapy. So now let's look at the requirements. As I mentioned earlier, the requirements for apprenticeships in dental nursing is A level. That is it. No GDC registration is required. But when you come to dental therapy, there are requirements that you must meet before you can actually join the apprenticeship program. So let's just look at them. To start an apprenticeship program in dental therapy, you could start by doing dental nursing level 3 advanced apprenticeship. This level 3 advanced apprenticeship is level 4 or 5 because the dental nursing course itself is at level 3. So advanced apprenticeship in dental nursing is level 4 and 5. Okay, before you can enroll for dental therapy. So you could start with that. It's an option they are giving you. So it adds, with experience, you could then do a degree or diploma whilst working to become a dental therapist. Okay, so with that experience, then you can now do your diploma. That is now level 5. Level 5 apprenticeship. Once you have level 3 and level 4, then you can now do level 5 apprenticeship. So for entry, this is what you will need: 5 GCSEs at grade 9 to 4 or equivalent, including English and Maths for advanced apprenticeships. Then you will need to register with the GDC. Dear friends, you cannot do dental therapy apprenticeship without a GDC registration. That's why most people first jump in for dental nursing for 1 year, get a GDC registration, then progress from there to advanced apprenticeships in dental nursing and then do dental therapy. And in fact, you can cut short your apprenticeships in dental therapy if you take that route, because everything you have learned before counts. Probably you have heard that the UK job market is not qualification based. They are experience based. So the qualification carries a lower weight as compared to experience. That's why the apprenticeship route is very, very ideal, because if you look at it critically, even if you stopped at primary school with your education, you can actually, through apprenticeships, progress even up to PhD level. That is one of the beauties of the education system of the UK. It accommodates everyone. So once you are through with your apprenticeship, there is a career progression path, which is totally up to you. Let's just take a look at some of them. So here, career path and progression. Look at progression in this role and similar opportunities. You can come to this website, gov.uk, job profiles, type in dental therapist, and you can go to the details. But the summary is here. With experience, you could progress to dental practice manager. You could become self-employed and set up your own practice since you are GDC registered. You could move into research or teaching. You could do further training or go into orthodontic therapy and the rest of it. So dear friends, that is how apprenticeships work in the UK. If you have watched this video up to this point, then I can assume that it has been good. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and join this family. See you in the next one.